What's the meaning of aloha? Aloha. 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 Aloha.
Aloha is a Hawaiian word that has multiple meanings. It is commonly used as a greeting, farewell, expression of love or gratitude, and even as a way to express sympathy or compassion. The word aloha represents the essence of Hawaiian culture, which values respect, hospitality, and harmony with nature. In modern times, aloha has become a symbol of the Hawaiian spirit and is often used to promote tourism in the state. Overall, aloha represents the warm and welcoming nature of Hawaiian people and their way of life.